Hi, I'm Jeff Beckham, and I'm head of product marketing at Gem. Gem is recruiting software that helps teams hire the right people faster. Before Superhuman, I felt probably like most people do that I'm dreading the 10 times a day that I need to go into my inbox, clear it out, reply to people, and just looking for a little more speed and just generally a little more joy in my day. So I dread it less, and Superhuman's definitely done that for me. The speed, number one, all the keyboard shortcuts, been looking at your calendar. It knows based on what I type in, what day I'm talking about, it shows it up on the side, and just overall makes all of that simpler for me. I tend to get a lot of emails, like most people, and I wanna make sure that if it's from a customer or someone external, I notice it, I get back on time. Similarly, something from my team. And then if it's just a newsletter or something that's not as essential, that it's split off somewhere else, and just kind of having those different directions that different types of emails can flow and keeping me organized has been something that's been really helpful for me. After Superhuman, I feel just a sense of relief and peace of mind. Email just isn't a hassle for me anymore. Whenever people walk by my desk and say, "What's that email that you're using?" I'm always very glad to tell them that it's Superhuman and it's something that I get a lot of value out of and that they should give it a try.